Hello everyone, welcome to ProTech Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to change the candlestick color on TradingView and also the background color on your chart on TradingView. Let's get straight to the point. All you have to do is right click on the screen, go to settings, and you see over here under symbol the option for body, borders, and week of your candles. So all you have to do is pick the color you want. I'm just gonna demonstrate for you how to implement these changes. So I'm gonna put all of them as green. You can see on the back how the colors are changing, and you can this way pre-visualize how it's gonna look like. And now, just to complement these changes, I'm gonna pick a background color that gives a better contrast. You just have to come to appearance and then background, and I'll select black. But as you see, my text, it's also black, so I don't see the price lines here on the right. So I'll also change them to white and then click OK to apply these changes. If you want to have a cleaner view of your chart, you can come over here, right click and remove indicators, and that's how you have this kind of chart. And just a bonus tip for you, you can right click, come to settings again to the same page as you were before, and under here on the left under template you can click this drop down menu and click as save as. I'm just gonna name this template that I created as green on black. I'll save it, and there it is, green on black. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.